Hi, today we will discuss some math problems. We have few questions here. Let's see our first question. In this question, grocery store sells pens and pencils. In February, they sold twice pens as pencils. In March, they sold twice number of pens that is sold in February, three times the number of pencil sold in February. And if the total number of pens and pencil sold in February and March was 600, so how many pencils did the store sell in February? Okay, first let pencils sold X, so pens will be 2X. As in the question it said twice as many pens as pencils. In the next part of the question it said twice the number of pens sold in February, that was the number for March. So March pens will be 4x and pencils it was 3 times sold in February. So in March pencils sold, that's for 3x. In the last part of the question it said total number of pens and pencils sold in February and March combined was 600. So total sold February plus March is equal to 600. So in February and March total pens sold 6x and total pencils sold 4x is equal to 600. So 6x plus 4x is equal to 10x and we already have here 600. If we do the calculation we will get the value for x and it is 60. So 60 pencils were sold in February. So our correct answer for this question is A, 60. Now let's move question 2. This question, one person, his name is Mr. Smith. He earns a commission of 9.5% of his total sales for the month, plus a salary of $4,500 that actually his basic salary. If Smith earns $5,235 in a certain month, what were his total sales? So for this question we see here we have 4 options. Now you guys can try and I will give my solution in the next slide. So we can let Smith total sales is X. We can write down 9.5% in that way. So for this sign percentage we can write down 9.5 divided 100. So that will be 0.095. According to the question, we can write down now Smith earns in a particular month with commission 0.095x. As it said, earns a commission 9.5% of his total sales. And the next part, it said Smith earns his basic salary 5,235. So according to the question, we can write down 4,500 plus 0.095x is equal to 5,235. Then we can put 4,500 this side and it will be 735. If we divided 735 by 0.095, we will get $7,736.84. So actually this is total sales for any particular month. So our answer is B, 7,736.84, and that is the right answer.